Zaba zirishamshanje zihangwe President Museveni ashendekerezibwe nkunzi we Janet Kata Museveni bahikashitebe kikuru cha NRM okame bwa chairman bwe kibina no bwa mukuru w'ihanga. Nabwanyuma rukura kuteza akaruro mu kibina cha NRM Dr. Tango Doi yahishana za kampine ziri kugenda mu ihanga no kuzimo mu district so kuronda akaruro kwemereza ibwabwe mcenjano.
Presidential flag bearer, one aspirant who is yet to be nominated to become a candidate. The aspirant is here, is none other than His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Ladies and gentlemen, the Electoral Commission here is not a theater for drama. And we want to request that anyone coming next time to try to show interest must read the regulations and follow the regulations. Here we don't do drama, but we have the big national theater near Ugandan Parliament of Uganda.
Omukugamba kwa president yashobora bwencha yikirize kwate bende ya NRM omurundo gundi.
Why do I say you should support me now that I'm your flag bearer and your chairman? Why? There must be reasons. It's not just emotional. There must be reasons. It is because I stand here on behalf of the very NRM that started as a student movement in 1965. This is 60 years ago. That nascent student movement emerged in a very fragmented landscape where polarization was following tribes and religious denominations. Utwatandikira ekibira ky'abavubuka ensi yammwe yonna ng'obufuzi bali bamaze okugiyuzayuza.
President Museveni najangwa enchureji amanu bazagata kurwanisa obworo no kongera amano mu butare hamwe n'ezindi nshonga.
Reason number one is to work with the NRM structures to clarify the importance of the 6 aspects that are very crucial in ensuring that Uganda, and maybe by example other parts of Africa, do not again miss the bus of history as happened in the past when Europe transformed and Africa stagnated and was enslaved.
Haruho abanyakibina abasima president abo kwikiriza kubakwatire bendera.
Is to make sure our discipline goes high. Let our discipline go high so that they will see the difference between the movement and other parties which they are talking about.
Ahurira President aragamba ngo naenda economy ya Uganda nayo ehike $500 trillion economy. $500 trillion economy aramanyisa obuhumbi bitanu bya dola echo nekintu cyo mutano munonga munwana.
Amakuru agasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.